Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar CAD, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar Canadian, I still think that this is a trend right here, but it is a motive wave correction for a wave B or a wave 2. I think that we are most likely going to go down to either make a wave C or possibly even a wave 3. Either scenario, I do think that we have a pretty decent downside potential. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we have been going down. We definitely have breaks of structure to the downside. I do believe on this weekly time frame it is going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs, and just keep on trending down. So that tells me that I am definitely primarily looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily, I am definitely looking at this move up on the daily as a possible correction, and I am looking for a shorting opportunity. Now we do have FOMC statement interest rate for the US dollar today, so I think that is probably going to be the most likely scenario today, is that we're going to end the correction and continue the downtrend. So let's take it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I don't really think it's going to continue down prior to the news. I think it's probably more likely it's going to drift up to at least this 50% level. Then I bet it's going to go down at the news, break structure, ending what I think is actually a pretty clear looking ABC correction, and most likely that's going to be the continuation of either a wave C or possibly a wave 3 on like the weekly mostly and maybe the daily time frame. So let's head down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I actually think that we are going to go up a little more before we go down. So I think this is most likely an ABC. I think we're going to go up to that 38%, which is right around here. And then at the news is when I believe that this is going to end up continuing the downtrend. So I would possibly be looking for a long prior to the news, but I think the trade that I would primarily be looking for is the end of this correction, and I would be looking to go short most likely at the news if that is how it plays out. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.